And to be honest, it was like 1 hour to go from here to this company at the morning, and it was 1 hour 30 minutes to come back, yeah, with heavy traffic. Crazy, crazy. Oh my god, look at this. We have first stau today. Yes. Oh, it's perfect, you know. It is just perfect. It is just perfection, you know. It is perfect. Oh my god. One lane is blocked. Yeah, like, listen. Are you in a rush or something like that? Come on. You are in Germany. You can be late. Obviously. What happened with this guy on the left? I don't know, but apparently he is not able to move this car to the right side, yeah. Yeah, apparently. Okay, so look at this, we are close to 222, the main crossing section, and we are taking the highway to Berlin, yes. And we probably have stau. Probably there is a stau. Yes. Look. Staugefahr. And it is understandable, yeah. It is just understandable. I was expecting this to happen, right? Yes, look at this. Okay, so we are going. Yes, I had a break, and look at this. I have Burger King, yeah, coffee. We can go. Oh yeah, we have 366 kilometers to Poland. Yes, to Poland, because we are going, Polizei. We are going to Poland and then across Poland, Polizei. Polizei? Polizei? What? They are not for us, so it's good, yeah, but... What? So we are going across Poland, yeah, and then we are going across Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, to basically take a ferry boat from Tallinn, Estonia, to Helsinki, Finland. Yeah, that's the plan. And you will ask, Danny, but why we have plan like this one? What about ferry boat from Germany to Finland? They just cancelled, you know, they cancelled some tickets, including mine, which means that I will be on waiting list, and maybe I will go, maybe not. So we are just driving, yeah. Old school, yeah, old school. No ferry boats, we are just driving, okay? Yeah. Few days on the road, let's go. Look, we have some animals. Nice. Ships. Or goats. Goats or ships, I don't know. As you can see, it's already dark, and we are still in Germany. Yes, Germany, oh my god. We have probably 40 kilometers to Poland. Probably 40. I have 44 minutes of driving time left. I have extra 30 minutes, but to use it I will have to take 45 minutes of break, so you know, like as you can see, people are overtaking, and I will overtake as well, because we are trying to drive 90 per hour, yeah, as long as possible. Is it the time? Like, okay, I will let this guy, and right now we are going for it. Is it okay to overtake here? I don't know. And to be honest, I don't care. Yes, we have enough of place here. So right now we are just waiting to pass this truck, which is now, and that's it. Look at this. Behold, behold, the last Stau in Germany. In the same place as always. Few months ago I was driving here. In the same place as always. There is Stau. Few years ago I was driving here. In the same place as always. There was Stau. Deutschland. Okay, so what is happening? Update of my shitty situation. Look at this. I have basically 4 kilometers to a parking place, still in Germany, yes, because there's a traffic jam to Poland, you know, at the border. As you know, there are controls at the border, so there's a traffic jam, which means that I'm not going to make it to a parking place in Poland, yeah, because I have just 14 minutes of driving time left. So we are spending another night in Deutschland, yeah, Germany, and it's very windy. Maybe you can hear it. It's very, very windy. Okay, so you know what? We are doing this. We are doing this, yeah. I took 45 minutes of break and we are doing this. I have the last 38 minutes of driving time. That's the traffic jam to Poland. I will enter Poland and we will park somewhere. Okay, I had to lower my camera because guys were there, you know, and they were just looking at me. But they are not stopping trucks, no. Just cars and vans and buses with people. So we are going. 35 minutes of driving time, so it means that we are going to drive probably 25 kilometers. Something like that. Oh my god, look at this. That's the moment of shame. Shame on me. Shame on me. Holy shit. That's a long one. Yes, I had to drive overtime because there was no parking place. Oh my god, Scania! Are you crazy? That's it? No, that's not the end. Wait a bit. Because sometimes this Tahoe, and that's the new Tahoe, yeah? Sometimes it is like stopping and we have to wait a bit. Yeah, we are waiting. Come on. Oh yeah. That's the end. Ah. Okay. Let's see. Let me check. Yeah, look at this. Can you see? I don't know if the sharpness is okay. I was driving 10 hours and 7 minutes. Yeah, 7 minutes overtime. As you can see, we have another day. Yes. It's basically, I don't know, 6 a.m. I don't even know. Oh look, 6:30, almost 6:30 a.m. Yeah, we are going. Today I have something like 750 kilometers to drive across Poland. Yes. Oh my god. Just highway. As you can see, we are driving. It's raining. There is no blue sky whatsoever. Welcome to Poland, yeah? Welcome, welcome. We have 8 AM, 7 degrees outside. Yes, that's how it is. And probably that's how it's going to be for the next few hundred kilometers. Holy shit. Oh my goodness, look at this. There's blue sky. Far away there is blue sky. Oh my god. Maybe we are going to have a nice weather. Maybe. Because behind me it's just cloudy and windy and it's raining. Yeah. But in front of me? Oh my god. Okay. What about kilometers? What is happening here? What is what? 420 kilometers to the border with Lithuania. Yes. Nice. We are going to the homeland of LT drivers, yeah. Oh my god, motherland of LT drivers. Holy shit, holy, what? Crazy, you know, crazy. Yes, look, speaking about LT drivers, yeah, mobile roadblocks. He's driving like 81 per hour. It's not going to be easy to overtake him because plenty of cars are approaching. Oh, but this guy is going for it. He is going for it. Okay. Do you see the city of Warsaw far away? Yes, we are passing Warsaw. Warszawa, yes. Oh my god, we have some traffic in Warsaw, obviously, yeah, like, it cannot be differently, yeah, like, come on. This city has some standards, yeah, and the main standard is at least one traffic jam, yeah, at least one. Oh my god, look at this, people are braking. Yes, that's our first traffic jam in Poland, in Warsaw. Stau, right? We are not in Germany, okay? We are not in Germany. So. Anyway, it has probably maximum 4 kilometers. Maximum. Which is a decent amount of kilometers, yeah? You are going to lose some time. You are going to lose a decent amount of time. Yeah. Oh my god, look at this. We have sunny weather. Yes, we have sun, we have blue sky. Finally. After passing Warsaw. Finally. Oh. Yes, Eastern Poland, you know, Eastern Poland. We are going east. I mean, a bit to the north, yeah, because Finland is like up there, you know, it's up there. But we have a great weather, finally. 7 degrees outside. It's a bit windy, but it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, we have to overtake this guy in front of me. He's driving like 86. 87. Okay, he's speeding up or not? No, 85. 84. He has some problems with driving with the same speed, yeah? Interesting truck in the forest. Okay. Okay, so we are going. Yes, we are going. I was just taking my break, 45 minutes. I have 3 hours 40 minutes of driving time left. We have 240 kilometers to border with Lithuania. We are going. Destination Finland. Yes. Baltic Express. Yeah, Baltic Express from Germany to Finland. That's it. Let's go. As you can see, we are still driving, yeah, still on the highway. The road is just perfect, yeah, it's perfect. and we are going to have this highway or express road, like whatever. It's going up to Lithuania, so yeah, nothing to do here, just driving forward. Cruise control 90 per hour. Baltic Express, you know, is flying to Finland. It's almost 4 p.m. Yeah, it's 2 degrees outside. Look, 2 degrees. Yeah, it's going to be cold. It's going to be cold. Damn. I hope that it's not going to snow in Finland. Yeah. I don't want to see snow on the road in Finland. I'm not a fan of it. Even though I have chains for snow, yeah, to put on my wheels. Come on. It's just around 400 kilometers to drive in Finland, yeah, and then to come back. So maybe it's going to be fine. And maybe you are wondering what is the plan. And the plan is that today I will arrive up to border with Lithuania, and tomorrow, it's going to be Sunday, tomorrow I will drive probably a few hours. Maybe I will get to Latvia, maybe up to Estonia, and I will start my 24 hours break. Yes, tomorrow. So it's going to end on Monday. Yes, and on Monday I will go to Tallinn, to Estonia. I will take ferry boat to Helsinki, to Finland. And Tuesday morning we are going to unload in Finland, and I will go back. Maybe I will take something from Finland, maybe from different country. Maybe I will take something to Spain, maybe to Albania, you know, Albania, oh my god, Albania, Balkans, going back to Balkans, maybe. As you can see, I'm getting offline maps for Estonia, for Finland, and for Latvia and Lithuania. Yes. Odysseus has pretty much all the countries, yeah, but I was not expecting to be in Finland and Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, so I had no offline maps for those countries, but right now I will have it. I will have it. It's going to be, whoa. We have some bumps. It's going to be very useful to get those maps, because then I will just save some internet. Roaming in Europe is expensive, yeah? That's how it is.